Good morning, guys. So today I am leaving Toronto and I'm heading down to Niagara Falls. I'm going to stay there for 2 days. A lot of people have been telling me that Niagara Falls, it's kind of a 1 day thing or even half a day thing. And I've decided to stay there for 2 days because one, I'm going to get the full experience of Niagara Falls. So it's just 9:05 now. My bus isn't until 11, but I'm going to try and do a bit more looking around before I leave. So I made it to Niagara Falls and I'm so excited. It's absolutely gorgeous out today and I'm really excited to get exploring. So I'm going to give you guys a quick room tour. I'm staying here for 2 nights and basically just so I can get the full experience here, because on the second day I'm leaving really early to go to Ottawa. So quick room tour. So I have this couch here and it's actually a pull-out couch as well, but it's only me so I don't need that. Lovely chair, my bed, my mess, TV, all this. Over here we have the bathroom and they have quite a lot of amenities as well, which is really nice. Loads of tea and coffee and stuff, but still no hot chocolate yet. And then the bathroom itself. Cute. So the bus journey actually wasn't that bad. It was only about 2.5 odd hours. And though it did get off to a bit of a rocky start because the bus kind of got himself into a tight spot with a few parked cars, so he started reversing to get out of it and he actually managed to bump into the front of somebody. I don't think the damage was too bad. I think they just swapped details and then we were on our way, because I think he was only gone for about 20 minutes or so. Still really cold there. There's still plenty of snow around, but on my way to this hotel I got to see a glimpse of the falls. I'm just really excited to go and see it. Definitely seems very quiet around here. I think it's because it's off season. It just seems like there's nobody here. All these people on the other side, they're all in America. That's so crazy. First day in Niagara Falls, and do you know what? I am blown away. Honestly blown away. It's like one of those landmarks that you've always seen on TV, you grew up with. It's featured in so many movies and it's right there in front of you, and I'm speechless. It is gorgeous. I heard from a few people that yeah, it's a bit underwhelming and you know, it's nothing special, but honestly it is fabulous. And the area surrounding the falls, I'm not gonna lie, it's very touristy. There's restaurants, there's casinos, there's shops. That's what you're gonna expect from one of Canada's and America's biggest attraction. So it's been extremely cold here, especially when you're near the water. You can really feel the chill. I think it got down to about -6 today, and I think there is a lot more activities around the falls during the summer. There's zip lining, you go out on the boat to the falls, you go behind the falls. I think all of that is shut off for the winter. Either that or it's just because we had the cold snap and everything is covered in ice. But that's not a problem. You can still appreciate the falls for what they are, and they are just gorgeous. So tomorrow I have a full day here at the falls. I'm thinking about going up the Skyline Tower, but at the same time I'm kind of curious about Rainbow Bridge. So Rainbow Bridge is a bridge that connects the Canadian side of the falls to the American side, and I'm curious because some people said you could walk across over to America and you can go to New York State. I haven't been to New York, so why not? The only thing is I will be crossing an international border technically, so I will need my passport. So I'm curious. I think that might be something I'll be doing tomorrow. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Also, if you do want to get first insight, I am on social media, mainly on Twitter and Instagram. The links are down below. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye.